Hello, welcome to Academic School. Are you looking to create a personalized and impactful recommendation letter for a student of yours? Well, if so, you're in the right place. Introducing the Quick Recommendation Letter Creator tool. It's an AI-powered tool that helps you generate a tailored letter of recommendation for a university or institution based on the specific content about your student in seconds. To access this tool, you have to simply click on it, the tool named Recommendation Letter Creator. Once you click on it, you just have to enter some commands, some prompts like the student pronoun. Is your student male or female? So my student is female, so I will type she. Relationship to student, I'm her teacher. Institution, she was my student in Freedom Employability Academy. Right? And some important information to include, maybe, about students or anything. So she was an active learner, punctual, regular, with leadership qualities. And she learned spoken English with A1 grade. Yes, that is it. I've clicked on generate, and within seconds, I'll have a personalized recommendation letter ready to go. And here it is. I hope you can see, it has listed everything that we could. From the beginning, she demonstrated herself to be an active listener. In addition, furthermore, everything. It's just so well written, right? Here, you must add your name, your position, wherever, you have worked. And that is it. Fantastic, isn't it? So thanks for watching. Try the recommendation letter creator tool today at Academiq AI and make the process of writing recommendation letters faster and easier. Happy recommending.